Welcome to DataTile, where data analysis is made simple. Our Crosstab interface makes it easy to explore any dataset. Join us today. Learn to uncover valuable insights from a massive research database of 84,000 respondents. Open the database Beverages BHT Waves 1 to 2 to create our first crosstab. Press the plus button to create a new request. All of the variables are displayed in the left panel. For extra detail about the variables, simply move your mouse over the variable label and DataTile will display the question texts in a handy tooltip. Let's start exploring the data. We'll begin by checking the level of awareness for our soft drink brands. Double-click on Unaided Awareness and all of its answers will be entered as the rows of the crosstab. The system automatically calculates the vertical percentage of the audience that is aware of the corresponding brand. To input columns, in this case using countries from the demographics section, you press and hold the Control button in Windows or the Command button on a Mac and double-click on the countries variable. Let's read the numbers in your first DataTile crosstab. By default, DataTile displays vertical percentages. Vert percentage is the percentage of people in your column that also share the characteristics of the variable in your row. So, for example, we see that 60% of the people in Austria, vertical column, buy Aquazen, horizontal row. You can show other metrics, for example, count, base or horizontal percentages, by selecting them from the metrics list here. To sort the rows by a metric, simply click on its label. This shows us that Wellspring is the biggest brand in Austria. If you wish to change the variables in your rows, double-click on another question and the system will automatically replace the rows in your crosstab. To replace the columns, just Control plus double-click on another question. Remove the count metric and let's add a significance test to see where brand usage is significantly above or below that of the total population. To do this, click on the sign button above the table. By default, DataTile applies a Z-test with a 5% confidence level to compare values against those in the total column. Blue downward arrows indicate that awareness of Wellspring among those with low income is significantly lower than in the total population of all countries, and red upward arrows indicate that awareness is significantly higher for the respondents with high income. You can also create new user-defined audiences that are not provided in the database. DataTile's comprehensive drag and drop options allow you to define and build any target audience. For example, you can look at the distribution amongst high-income, middle-aged female respondents. All you need to do is drag the female category onto the high-income column title, pick the AND option, and then repeat it with the selected age categories. We can name, save, and reuse it for further analysis. Let's finish this tutorial with some charting. First, sort the brands for our new MyTA1 audience and simply switch to the Chart tab to visualize this crosstab as a chart. The default is a bar chart, or you can pick another from our extensive library of charts. As you can see, Bellevue is the most popular among our new audience. You can inspect other KPIs without needing to rerun your crosstab. Switch from chart styles back to the database and use the same double-click actions as before. DataTile will substitute dimensions on the crosstab and automatically render the chart. Note that significance indicators, once enabled, are recalculated on the fly. Download tables or charts in various formats, including editable PowerPoint files for dynamic visualizations. To recap, you can now navigate a codebook, crosstab your data, read results, and produce and manipulate charts. Easy. Thank you for choosing us, and happy data tiling.